and oranges. The Terminal Garden Park. Guys, what was that? Something when you have it, so don't press your luck until the terror of dead. What the heck? Okay, let's go. Be careful of the lions, they eat you. What the heck is the reading? I don't know anyway. Guys, why is it a night city? Anything about that? Well, I got no trust in mother. Trust me, Freddy. Okay, now we'll get a very big time to get a big purple Mickey. Purple Mickey Mouse? Do you think that Mickey Mouse was purple? Yes. Where are the apartments? Right there. Oh jeez, why do you do this? I don't know, Chica. Hey Foxy, what is it, Freddy? Do you remember what is your nightmare? My nightmare is a screaming face to be jump scared me. Don't worry, Foxy. Thank you, Chica. Kind of I was cooking, however. Hey, this is a city! Where are you hunting? I don't know. Freddy, what the heck did you say? Bunny, I would say the Hunter Games. Not Hunter Games! Before I was talking about the Wiggles.